It's a nice view from the office. Maya is relaxing in the sun, getting ready to work. Right now it's sunny and warm, but I'm expecting rain later today or tomorrow, so I decided to bring my tent down. As you can see, it's already packed, but I made you a small video so you can see how it works. As you might notice, there are quite a few things that you have to do. This is a zipper. It zips just around the tent. It's this nice little strap here. Then you have the two top straps, and there are two straps underneath that hold the tent together. It's a very thick canvas, sometimes a little bit difficult, but all in all it doesn't take too much time. These steps are really helpful, and the steps in the back too. Otherwise I would not be able to do it on my own. All packed and then good to go. Or good to sleep in the car, wait for better days.